Hello students, welcome to my channel Techno Pharma by Niranjan Chivte. So in this video, we are going to see the MCQs that are multiple choice questions on the topic dental and cosmetic preparations from the pharmaceutics to subject. This video is only 5 to 6 minutes length and you observe it very carefully and with concentration you will get definitely benefited, and that MCQs will help you in the MSBT examination also. So be careful while watching the video, do not get disturbed, sit with the concentration and start the video. So let us start. Cosmetics are classified according to following categories except their composition, their use, their function, or their physical nature. So cosmetics are classified in all these categories except their composition. Remember the answer, their composition. Formulation of dentifrices contains following ingredients except. Dentifrices means tooth powders, abrasive substances, opacifiers, binders or detergents. So all these ingredients are present in the formulation of dentifrices except opacifiers. Opacifiers are used in the face powder like titanium dioxide. They are not used in the dentifrices. Following are the type of face powders except. So what are the different types of face powder? Light type, heavy type, glossy type or medium type. All these are the different types of face powders except, yes, glossy type. Dash type of cream leaves invisible layer on the skin. So there are different types of creams. Out of that, which one which leaves the invisible layer on the skin is, that may be, the options are cold cream, foundation cream, cleansing cream or vanishing cream. And the correct answer is yes, vanishing cream. Vanish means to get disappear. So it leaves invisible layer on the skin. Dash is a pigmented preparation applied to the eyelashes or eyebrow for beautify the eyes. So various cosmetics are applied to the eyes. Out of that, which is a pigmented one? That is, the options are mascara, eyebrow pencils, eyeshadow or eyelashes. And the correct answer is yes, mascara. It is a pigmented preparation applied to the eyelashes or eyebrow to beautify the eyes. Dash are used to change the natural color of the hair. And the options are hair conditioners, hair dyes, brilliantines or hair tonics. To change the natural color of the hair, the cosmetic used is, yes, hair dyes. The unwanted hair from the skin can be removed by following method except. So there are various methods to remove the unwanted hairs from the skin. Out of that, which one is not here? That is the epilation, depilation, electrophoresis or electrolysis. And the correct option is yes, electrophoresis. Dash is the permanent hair removal method of unwanted hair. So again the options are epilation, depilation, electrophoresis or electrolysis. So the permanent hair removal method is, yes, for unwanted hair is the electrolysis. Small DC current is applied to the root of the hair and they are damaged. Dash is the example of opacifying agent used in the formulation of shampoos. So there are various opacifying agents are used. Which one is the example? Cetyl alcohol, glycerin, titanium dioxide or methyl cellulose. In case of formulation of shampoos, the opacifying agent used is cetyl alcohol. Dash formulations inhibit the growth of bacteria. And the options are antiperspirants, deodorants, shampoo or depilatories. So the formulations, deodorants inhibit the growth of bacteria. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe my channel Techno Pharma by Niranjan Chivte for such kind of updated videos related to pharmaceutics 2 subject and observe with concentration. Thank you so much.